So, honestly, this right here, this is overwintered mint. Okay. Um, I don't water my mint on any type of a regular schedule or anything, anything like that. To be completely honest with you, this is all that I do. I am not gentle with it at all. Here we go. Got to get a new pot. This one's going to the recycle too. Okay, but it's living proof, and there is a lot of bugs in here, but that's another story. All right, y'all ready? This may look terrible, right? It may look like I'm doing the most, but this is how I do it. Now you're probably like, yo, that's just a little piece right there. But watch. All right, y'all. So I thought I'd come back to show you one more time. So you remember how big that clump was? Sorry for the dirty fingernails there. That's pretty nasty, but oh well. I cut this in half, right? And this is all there is. So since I'm using a bigger bowl, I just want to show you exactly how this goes. Hold on. That's simple. So we will check back in probably, I don't know, week or two. 2 weeks at the latest, maybe as early as another week. So I just want to show y'all, man, it's not hard to do. All right. So that's it for today. And here we are today, April 27th, almost a month. Your boy Young Follow Up in the building. But this is what you can expect, y'all. So it really doesn't take that long. Anything can happen in the garden. Just a quick follow up. And you know, like I do, you know how I say. I'm gonna let y'all say it for me first. Alright? And like I always say, that's right. I hear y'all. I got love for those that got love for me. Much love from the middle of the map. It's your boy, Young Follow Up. Peace.